All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
India's first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra was inaugurated by EAM Jaishankar in Mauritius on Wednesday. Jaishankar inaugurated the Jan Aushadhi Kendra with Mauritius Prime Minister Pravind Kumar Jugnauth. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar launched India's first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra in Mauritius, demonstrating close bilateral collaboration, particularly in the important health sector. Jaishankar was in Mauritius for a two-day visit from June 16 to 17, one of the first countries he has visited during his tenure as External Affairs Minister. Together with Mauritian Prime Minister Pravind Kumar Jugnauth, he launched India's first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra on Wednesday, testifying to the close cooperation between our countries, especially in the important sector of health, according to a statement from the Ministry of External Affairs. Jan Aushadhi Kendras are designed to provide everyone with access to reasonably priced generic medications. The Foreign Minister said in a post on X, delighted to inaugurate along with Prime Minister Jugnauth the first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra in Mauritius. This Aushadhi Kendra is the delivery of the promise made by PM Narendra Modi earlier this year. The India-Mauritius Health Partnership Project will supply cost-effective, made-in-India medicines to augment public health care and enhance well-being. Jaishankar, who is on an official visit to Mauritius, also launched modern medical facility built with Indian grant assistance. Inaugurating the Mediclinic in Grand Bois, built with Indian grant assistance, Jaishankar described it as the newest expression of our friendship. Addressing the event, he said it will provide secondary health care for 16,000 people in the area. I'm told it will provide secondary health care for 16,000 people in the Grand Bois area, and we feel very proud to be a partner in this collaboration. He also said that, we feel proud because, after COVID-19, health is a priority. All of us have become health conscious. We worry about things rightly so. But we also believe, all of us believe that health is our right. And that right today, every government has a duty to deliver. During his two-day visit to the country, Jaishankar reaffirmed India's consistent and continued support to Mauritius in its quest for progress as he held wide-ranging talks with the country's leadership to cement the bilateral ties which are critical for the future of the Indian Ocean region. The Foreign Ministry released a statement stressing the vibrant and people-centered India-Mauritius development cooperation, as Prime Minister Jugnauth and Jaishankar virtually launched 12 community development projects supported by India. Jaishankar also met opposition leader Erwin Boulil and other prominent political figures in Mauritius during his tour, where they talked about ways to strengthen India's unique and long-lasting relationship with the island nation. Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Janaushadhi Pariyojana, PMBJP, Transil. It was launched by the Department of Pharmaceuticals to provide quality medicines at affordable prices to the masses through special Kendras known as Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Janaushadhi Pariyojana Kendra, PMBJK. The scheme's centers have been set up to provide generic drugs, which are available at lesser prices but are equivalent to more expensive branded drugs in both quality and efficacy. The Bureau of Pharma Public Sector Undertakings of India, BPPI, has been established under the Department of Pharmaceuticals, Government of India, with the support of all the CPSUs for coordinating procurement, supply and marketing of generic drugs through the centers. The scheme was initially launched by the government in 2008 and relaunched by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi in 2015. The campaign was undertaken through sale of generic medicines through exclusive outlets, namely Jan Aushadhi Medical Store in various districts of the country. In September 2015, the Jan Aushadhi Scheme, PMJ. In November 2016, to give further impetus to the scheme, it was again renamed as Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Janaushadhi Pariyojana, PMBJP.